My name is Megan Bublitz, and today we are going to be preparing a dessert called Calico Meringues. First we have 2 eggs, we'll only use the whites, our cream of tartar, sugar, plain M&Ms, for garnish, chocolate shavings, coconut, and some caramel syrup. First we're going to start by separating the yolk from the egg whites. Take our eggs one at a time. We have our bowl. Just going to crack the egg, tap it lightly, take the top off. What you're going to want to do is put it in your hand, just kind of let the egg whites go through your hands. Just roll it back and forth tightly. You can save the yolk and make an omelet with it or whatever. We're going to do the next egg. We'll use the same method again. Next, we're going to wash our hands so that we do not contaminate anything else. We're going to take our egg whites, we're going to put them in the bowl, our mixing bowl. You can use any kind of mixing aid if you want. We'll add our egg whites in the bowl. And also add our cream of tartar. Lift the bowl up and turn it to a high speed. Let it mix for a while. You're going to have to do this for a long time actually. If you have a hand whisk, you want to get soft peaks. The way you can test that is by, when you whip, lift it up and see if the peaks stay. And if not, keep whipping until they do. The egg whites are now ready. So now we're going to add our sugar. Only add it 1 tablespoon at a time. So we'll add 1 tablespoon first. And then you can add another tablespoon while it's mixing. All of our sugar has been added. We're just going to let it whisk for a little bit. Again, we want it to make small peaks. Our mixture is done and it's forming soft peaks. Now what we want to do is add the candy. Get off as much of the dessert as you can into the bowl so you don't waste any. A few at a time and fold them in. You can add as many M&Ms as you want, depends how you like it. Make sure it gets mixed evenly. We'll add a few more M&Ms. Fold them in. Next, we're going to put the meringue onto a baking sheet. You're going to want to grease your baking sheet or put parchment paper on it. Take 2 spoons, grab some of the meringue, take it over to your baking sheet and just scrape it off. If you want to form a peak, you can just touch the top of it and make a little peak like that. Keep filling up your baking sheet. You want to have them at least 2 inches apart. You're going to already want to preheated your oven. You want to preheat it to about 350 degrees. And you're going to bake these for about 20 minutes. We have a full pan, so now we're ready to put it in the oven. You're going to want to set your timer for about 20 minutes and check it every so often. Our time is about up to take our meringues out of the oven. So we're going to want to get some hot mittens so that we don't burn ourselves. Our meringues are lightly golden brown. They're ready. We're going to want to plate them up now. First, we're going to want to put a little garnish on the plate. So we'll take our caramel syrup. So I'm just going to put some swirls on my plate. Then I'm going to take a meringue, put it in the center of the plate, and for a little extra, add some chocolate shavings. Just sprinkle them around the plate. And if you're feeling a little adventurous, you can add some coconut to your plate. And there you have a calico meringue.